Hello Sharks, this is me Khushi Bhugaita here, and today we are here with our business idea, and our company name is Counterlight. So let's know about team. So the first member is Anjali Sharma. It's me Khushi Bhugaita, Anshuman Kodle, Niyati Gajre, Arfa Sheikh, and Garima Joshi. So now I will hand over to Anshuman.
Yes, sir. So I will start with problem faced by people in day-to-day life. So the most common problem that people face in their day-to-day life are people get charging issues if their device is discharged and they don't have power banks with them. Charging wires and points are not available everywhere, and people can't use their device after a certain amount of time. People can't take their smartphones and smartwatches everywhere. Solutions of this problem that our product is bringing. Our product is solar based, so there is no need for charging point or power banks to be carried everywhere. There won't be any kind of network issues because of 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, and our product won't make you worry of for keeping your hand full. Offering. What does our product offer? Our product gives you sensor, camera, microphone, speakers, connectivity, and Bluetooth connectivity with Wi-Fi connectivity. One of the main feature of our glove is that it can receive video call and voice call and also call back with the help of 16 megapixel camera with microphones and speakers. Our product contains mini projectors that can be useful for presenting anything into a large crowd. Our product is extremely lightweight. Now I would like to hand it over to Arfa.
Next slide. Uh, mm, mm. Competitors, major competitors, Samsung, Asus, both, and Apple, they are the major competitors. How we are better than them? We are introducing something that is more comfortable and congestional. Our product is much lightweight and easy to use in comparison with mobiles and smartwatches. Can be used for a much longer period in comparison of other devices. It gives you what is recently I opened the sharing screen. Ayushman can be used for much longer period in comparison of other devices. It gives you access to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to connect with your phones. It is made up of polycot, making it more suitable to wear it in summer. Next is SWOT analysis. SWOT opportunity, strength, a unique technological experts, a strong brand, loyal customer base, and smart look. Weakness, inadequate supply and lack of capitals. Opportunities, no exact competitors introducing new technology, first product of its kind. Threat, bigger companies, advancement in technology. Now I will hand over to
Now
Niyati.
I'll elaborate how our company will promote our product through offline marketing, advertising our product through billboards, banners, and hoardings, making it more eminent. By using these kind of things, we can make people think of our product as reliable. By promoting our product through newspapers, it will give it a facelift. By publicizing our product through guerrilla marketing, we can procure the attention of contemporary and modernistic youth. By taking the aid of pamphlets, posters, and flyers, we can make ourselves known to learners and undergraduates. We can accomplish our goal to reach out to masses through televisions and radios. Now I'll hand it over to Khushi.
So now it's time for online marketing. How would we market our product through online? With the help of email marketing, we will promote it online basis. In the platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, we will have ad campaigns also. Hand over to Garima.
This is the present our gloves, AI gloves. Influencers. Which influencers will we use? We will have film stars like Ranveer Singh and cricketers like Virat Kohli to promote our product, since people follow actors and cricketers a lot. By approaching Instagram and YouTube influencers to publicize our product.
The
Our
cost of
product
our
cost-
product is rupees 3,500. Pricing. The nature of our product is exporter and manufacturer. The total number of employees in our company are up to 26 to 50 people. The annual turnover of our company is 1 crore to 2 crore. Salaries of the employees are dependent according to their works. Rent of our office of our company is rupees 3 lakh per month in the area of 5,000 square feet, and the equipments that are using to make the product cost from rupees 10 lakh approx. Now I would like to hand over Garima.
Challenges we will face. Our company and our product are new. It will take time to earn the trust of masses. Searching for investors, arrange perfect place for manufacturing, arrange best staff for work. Thank you.